So at this point, Siemens has roughly 450 applications in production, which is a tremendous number. And we have another 350 applications in development right now.
We have several areas where we have applied low-code. When it comes to usage within our employee environment, we have, for example, created an app which provides you a visual layer of all the learning journeys we are providing for upskilling yourself in several areas, be it in sales, marketing, finance, etc. pp. And that has been also including a little bit of a gaming aspect where teams could now be competing with each other, how many learning journeys you would have taken. So that's one beautiful example of how Mendix was able to deliver that app within a couple of days and weeks with a beautiful and well-appearing UI, user interface, which really increased the adoption of that app and had a great user experience.
EOS web application is so important for the business because the railway industry is so much standardized. So we need to keep those standards and regulations in order to authorize a train and sell it. We decided to develop the new EOS because the old EOS had a very old infrastructure and there was increasing instability in the system, and therefore we needed a new solution. The end users for the application is the whole Siemens mobility, especially engineering departments and also authorization and quality management. So when we developed the new application, we rebuilt all the features we had in the old application and we improved the user interface so that it was more intuitive for the users how to navigate within the system and how to look for standards, how to download them. In the database for our EOS web system, we have more than 6,200 active end users, and we provide working groups, tracking services and regulation standards, and there we have over 50,000 regulation standards within the database.
Over the last 2.5–3 years, our team has created about 30 applications for the business unit motion control. My favorite application, or my baby that I started back in 2019, is called the Material Supply Manager. This is a use case from shop floor logistics in a factory in Erlangen that we did and that we started back then, and since then it has been growing a lot. We're still working on it. It's never 100% done, but it is a large project with IoT sensors, with AGVs connected and all these things, and a very cool Mendix user interface. Right now we are assessing our portfolio, seeing how we can connect applications to each other. That for us is the next step. I'm looking forward to doing that. We already have some candidates that could benefit from that. But in the end, the best project is always the next.